I'm always looking for ways to create healthier dishes. And today we are making something different. It's Tofu Tinola. Let's start cooking. So ito siya dahil nga ako I love soup every time I'm eating. And sometimes sobra akong nagmamadali. And what I really want is just that delicious and flavorful broth. Today, we are not using chicken but we are using tofu, which is a very good alternative to our protein, no? So, ito siya. And ito, tofu, kahit kainin mong hilaw, pwede, di ba? Just dice up big chunks, no? Yan, of my tofu. But because wala siyang meat, we will just saute our aromatics. Konting oil lang because we want to bring out the flavor of our ginger, bawang, sibuyas, and our tanglad, no? Gagawin natin dito. Gisa-gisa lang tayo. It's also good, no, if you want to saute your black pepper, no, just to bring out the aroma as well. Gisa lang natin siya. What makes it non-vegan? Because we are using chicken stock here. So, or you can use vegetable stock because kung wala kang stock, hindi siya masyadong flavorful. No? So, you can use vegetable stock for this and I will just add it to my pot. So, ito, if you're using chicken stock, hindi na siya vegan. No? Ito, maraming sabaw. And ito siya, hindi ka nagmamandali, pwedeng-pwede to dahil hindi mo na kailangang lutuin yung vegetables ng matagal, no? Unlike chicken, mabilis lang to. And we will now add our papaya. And this is very filling, no? If you eat your vegetables, I'll add my kalabasa. So, itong vegetables dito, ito na yung rice ko. Pitik ng asin. And let that simmer. And towards the end, I will add my tofu, my malunggay, and my sili. Maluluto na yung ating vegetables, so ating papaya and kalabasa. But before it is fully cooked, lalagay ko na aking sili, no? A little bit of kick. Masarap. And I will add my tokwa. Firm tofu yung gamit ko. You can also fry your tokwa before adding it, ha? So, medyo mas maging meaty yung kanyang texture. Eto, what I do, I always add my malunggay at the end. And here, my malunggay is there. And gagawin ko dito, papatayin ko na yung apoy, turn off the heat, let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes before serving. Hindi ko pinapakuluan ng matagal yung malunggay to preserve as much vitamins as possible. So, rest lang, wait lang tayo, and we will be ready to eat our Tofu Tinola. So, after 2 minutes, it's ready. Huwag mo lang halu-haluin ng todo dahil madudurog yung ating tofu. And it's done. It's very aromatic. It's delicious. Very clean tasting. And now, we will add it to our bowl. Maging healthy tayo, ha? Yan. And it's time for me to try my soup. Malunggay for me. Kain tayo. Of course, pag water lang yung gamit mo, it will be less flavorful. So, you have to make the adjustment of using chicken stock or vegetable stock, whichever is better for you. Kaya eto, ating dish for today. Let's get healthy. Tofu Tinola. Simpol! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simpol!